Have you ever noticed how quickly a man can lose respect? One wrong reaction, one emotional outburst, one moment of weakness, and suddenly the world treats him differently. Most men think respect is something people give you, but the truth is, respect is something you must command. Today, we're diving into why men lose respect, and more importantly, how you can reclaim it using ancient Stoic discipline. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know the exact mindset and behaviors to rebuild your strength, your authority, and your presence as a man. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one." Most men don't lose respect because of the world. They lose it because of the man they become. Here are the three most common reasons. 1. Emotional reactivity. A man who reacts instantly, a man who explodes, a man who panics, is a man others cannot trust. Stoics taught one principle: control yourself or someone else will. When you're easily provoked, people learn to push your buttons. You become predictable, weak, manipulable. 2. Lack of boundaries. A man who says yes to everything becomes a man who stands for nothing. Respect evaporates the moment you abandon your own standards. Epictetus said, "You must stop thinking of yourself as a child." Nothing kills respect faster than being a grown man who lets others dictate his time, energy, and life. 3. Inconsistency. Men who crumble under pressure don't inspire confidence. Respect is built on dependability. If people can't rely on you, they won't respect you. Stoics believed a man's power comes from three pillars. Pillar 1, inner fortitude. This is your ability to stay grounded, calm, balanced, unshaken. You become respectable when you become still. Seneca wrote, "A man is as unhappy as he has convinced himself he is." What does that mean? Your inner world determines your outer presence. Pillar 2, rationality over impulse. Modern men act before they think. Stoic men think before they act. This single difference separates leaders from the hopeless. Respect grows when people see you, pause, assess, and then respond with intention. Pillar 3, discipline over desire. Respect follows discipline like a shadow follows the body. Your habits speak louder than your words. If you want respect, wake early, train your body, control your diet, control your urges, control your thoughts. Discipline is the masculine currency the world still honors.
Here are Stoic-approved actions that rebuild respect rapidly. 1. The 2 breaths rule. Before reacting to anything, criticism, stress, insults, take 2 deep breaths. This rewires your brain. It stops emotional triggers. It makes you appear calm, unshakable. A man who masters his reactions masters respect. 2. Establish one non-negotiable boundary. Start with one simple boundary. No replying to messages immediately. No explaining yourself when unnecessary. No tolerating disrespect. People respect what you consistently enforce. 3. Adopt the silent power principle. Speak less, observe more. When you remove unnecessary words, your presence becomes heavier, more serious, more respected. As the Stoics taught, let your actions be your defense. 4. Build one daily discipline. Pick something that hurts. Cold showers, a morning workout, 30 minutes of reading. No porn, no sugar, no junk food. Discipline creates an aura of strength that others can feel without you saying a word. 5. Walk away without explaining. A man who doesn't explain himself is a man who owns himself. Walk away from arguments. Walk away from disrespect. Walk away from chaos. People will respect you more for having that power.
Respect is not demanded. It's earned through the way you live. If you follow the Stoic path, you speak less, you react less, you control your emotions, you move with discipline, you enforce your boundaries. You become the kind of man others instinctively respect. You don't have to ask for it. You don't have to force it. Your presence does the talking. As Marcus Aurelius said, "Be tolerant with others and strict with yourself." That is the formula. In tomorrow's video, we're going to talk about something even more powerful. How Stoicism makes you completely emotionally untouchable. This is the video that will change the way you respond to pain, fear, and chaos forever. So if you want to become a stronger, calmer, and more masculine man, hit subscribe, leave a like, and share this video with another man who needs discipline. The more men who learn this, the stronger your circle becomes, and strong circles create strong men.